What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of packages. So if you want to see what it is I'm unboxing, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, you guys, as I was telling you on one of the live streams earlier this month, I had some new equipment coming in, something that I was wanting to add to the business. So right here I have two packages, as you see. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up and let you guys see the thing I'm going to be adding to the business. Alright, the things that I have came in, right here I have this designer pack instruction booklet. I have these little round designed items right here. So can anybody guess what it is I'm going to be doing? If you can, type below. You got 3, 2, 1 seconds. Alright, so right here, and I also have this right here, and I have a pack, like a sample pack. So if you didn't guess before, it's buttons. I'm going to be doing buttons. Okay, I actually had an order for buttons for a birthday party, but I didn't have buttons. But the lady came in, she wanted a shirt for her daughter's birthday, and she was like, do I do buttons? So I was like, well, I don't do buttons. In my head, I'm thinking, well, I don't do buttons, but if you need buttons, then I will be, you know, doing buttons for you. So I ended up going on Amazon and ordering this right here. This is the cheapest button maker that they offer right now. So right here, you know, this is the button, the thing that you use once you assemble the button to press it, the button press. This is the, I don't even know what they're called, but this is the button assembly, I guess. And these are all the button parts. And right here you have the, I guess these are the Mylar sheets and all of the buttons that came with it, the pre-made buttons. And this book right here is supposed to be a book that, well, actually it looks like it has extra buttons in here for you to pop out. And this right here is a circle cutter and a cutting mat. Yeah, so basically I bought this because this one, the one that I got, is the cheapest one, and it did not come with a circle cutter. So I purchased this so that I could be able to, you know, just cut out my circles in the correct size and press them. So yeah, I'm going to be making buttons, and you know, I just want to do the unboxing so I can let you guys see the equipment that I got. And all of this stuff that I purchased came from Amazon, so I will be leaving links for you down below this video just in case you are interested in, you know, trying this out for yourself. But I will let you guys know. And the reason I got the cheapest one was because I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I have had people ask about buttons in the past, but you know, it wasn't a lot of people, so I was just like, let me just do this and start offering it. And I also have another thing I'm going to be doing, you know, as the summer comes near and kids are going to be having birthdays and stuff, but I'm going to have to update you on that a little bit later. And that's all I have for you. I just want to unbox and let you guys see everything. And I'm going to do another video where I show me making the button and the matching shirt to go with it. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on the green and the red channel, and also the notification bells on both. And if you are not in that Print Squad group, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join today. And follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. And don't forget, I leave links for you guys below this video for any of the products that I use to print t-shirts and now buttons. So I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.
Yeah.